Hello everyone, this is Pooja Taniwali from Ryan AI Teachers Training Level 2. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to review the TEDx, that is Turning Trash into Toys for Learning by Arvind Gupta. First of all, I would like to give a short intro of this personality. Arvind Gupta is an Indian guy. He's an Indian toy maker, an educator, and a science popularizer. For many years ago, he has been creating simple educational toys from everyday waste materials and also using them to teach science to children in a fun and a entertaining and we can say in a creative way. His basically mission is to make learning accessible and enjoyable for a child because with a toy the education can be more entertaining rather than just giving them lectures and relying them on memorization. So this was about Arvind Gupta. Now let's moving towards his review. In this inspiring TED Talk, Arvind Gupta shows how ordinary waste materials such as straws, such as old newspapers, or we can say matchstick, and rubber tubes, and also plastic packaging that can be transformed into educational toys. And we have also noticed that in market there are many educational toys that we can buy our children to learn much more. So his mission was also to make education more fun with the toys. These toys are not only fun to play with but also help children understand an important scientific concept. He shared his personal journey and explained how he left a conventional energy career to work with children and promote science education. He also realized that children learn best when they can touch, when they can build, when they can do experiment and explore things himself. Throughout this talk, he demonstrated several creative toys made from inexpensive materials. Through these simple models, children can learn about structures, about sound, about geometry, about motion, and we can say air pressure, and many other scientific principles. He also proves that learning science does not require expensive laboratories or costly equipment. And one of the strongest message in this TEDx is that curiosity is the foundation of learning. He believes that when children create things with their own hands, they become more interested in understanding how the world actually works. This hand on approach makes learning more exciting and memorable. He also emphasized the importance of recycling and sustainability. Instead of throwing these waste materials, they can be reused to create educational tools, and that is reality. Many people waste toys, but if we know how we can make use of it and how we can check benefit of it, we can reuse it for educational purpose. This teach children creativity, resourcefulness, and environment responsibility at the same time. So, in my opinion, I personally found this TEDx very inspiring, and it is prevent wastage, and it is very educational because it showed that great learning does not always require expensive resources. Sometimes the simplest material can make you learn many things. It can create the more powerful learning experiences. I especially like how Arvind Gupta combines science, creativity, and sustainability in a way that is fun for every children. And his mission is to make this education more interesting, more fun for every child while with use of toys. So this was about today's TEDx review that was turning trash into toys for learning. I hope you all enjoyed this session and get much more insightful knowledge and information from here. So be positive, be happy, and stay connected with me for more upcoming sessions. Till then, Allah Hafiz.